Hey y'all, today I'm doing the review of Primcloud.com, a website built by Josh Manders, who I follow on Twitter. So, hey, you know what? Sign up and give this indie maker who's been really helpful, helping other people and a lot of community work. Follow him on Twitter, sign up to his beta landing page for Primcloud. Without further ado, let's talk about this landing page. So, let's talk about the header first of all. Build and run your apps your way. So this is an intriguing header. I kind of want to read more before I can judge it. Primcloud supports Ruby, Node, Python, Java, Go, PHP, etc., and everything in between, so you can use the languages you already know to build and deploy apps on Primcloud. So basically, this tells you that this is basically something like DigitalOcean or Heroku, but it's language agnostic, which means that it doesn't matter what language I'm coding in, there's no preference. He'll just take your app and ship it onto the interwebs. Okay, so that's a good subheader. That's how me as a developer I understand this. What I would do a little bit better is this header number one, this H1. So build and run your apps your way. So a lot of people, they don't have their way of, deploying their apps. So you could say something, maybe build and run your apps with confidence, or build and run your apps and let me deploy them, something like that. It just gives me the idea that this is more about deploying apps rather than like building them and running them my way, right? Because what is my way? Everybody has their own way, but do you really support every single way to do deployments of apps? I don't know. It's interesting to see. There must be a certain way, right? Then the thing I noticed is that a lot of these links, they're all disabled, so this is definitely a lot of work in progress. But one thing that caught my eye was if you sign up here and you put like something like Jane Doe, jane@example.com, Hunter2, and I try to sign up, you can't actually sign up. So what I would do here is basically not delete this button, but do the same you've done here where you disable it, because there's no point getting people to sign up unless you've done it for some kind of like growth hacking experience to see how many people are willing to try to sign up immediately. I mean, if you thought about that, kudos to you. I love the fact that you put on your landing page a huge picture of what the interface looks like, and it kind of like gives away some of the features that are on your platform. So you have collaboration, and you have ability to create new projects, multiple projects hosted under one hat, so to speak, and location. You can probably choose location, different languages supported. I think it's this screenshot is a little bit too large, but it's nice to see it for sure. I personally would have loved if there was a video, something like as big as this that shows kind of like an overview of what the features are going to be like. And instead, what happens is I scroll down and all the features listed here, and there's a lot of text, right? Like a lot of text. A lot of text. I like the headers and I like the icons. It kind of like, all these icons are perfectly aligned with the text, like look at that. Build packs, boom, perfect icon. Scalability, perfect icon. Deploy with Git. Although this is a GitHub icon, but I mean, you get my point. What I don't enjoy too much is the fact there's so much text. I'd like to see a little bit more like read more, but I'm pretty sure you're gonna work on this for the launch of your platform, as this is pretty much like a beta landing page or an alpha landing page. The design looks very clean, very neat, and all of these links are disabled, so I can't really click on anything. I like this little animation down here. Always cool to see people, working on these little animations like this. These are the little things that make you laugh or give you a smile at least. Another thing I noticed is this box here. This is a good way to get subscribers, but what I would do here is instead of saying, hey, latest news articles, resources sent to your inbox, like nobody really cares about this, right? what I would do instead is leave me your email and I'll give you like a month off or some kind of discount or something. That would make me want to sign up a little bit more. That reading this text here that just says send to your email, like I already get a million emails about tech news. I read hacker news every day. Definitely don't want more of this. That's just, you know, food for thought. Other than that, you know, everything else looks clean, and I can't wait to see the version 2 or the launch version of this. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the subscribe button. It's free and it really helps me because I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. If you didn't like the video, leave a comment, let me know why, and I'll see you in